Hello everyone, welcome to Sources classes. So in this video again we'll be continuing our discussion with respect to questions pertaining to the quantitative section. So basically we have a questions on numbers in this video. So question, let us take a look at the question and subsequently we'll try and solve the same. Okay, so let's focus on this. Find the least number which when divided by 6, 5 and 17 always leaves remainder 1, but when divided by 7 leaves no remainder. Okay, so basically when a least number we need to find which one divided by 6, 5 and 17 leaves remainder 1, but when divided by 7 leaves no remainder. Okay, so here what we have is numbers when let the number equal to x. Okay, so let the number be x. So therefore this number when divided so basically the question states when divided by 6 leaves remainder 1. Okay, when divided by 15 leaves remainder 1, and when divided by 17 again leaves remainder 1. Okay, so this is what the question's all about. So now at the least number which 16, 5 and 7 they actually divide, that would be given by the LCM of 6, 15 and 7. So that would be of 6, 15 and 17, sorry. Okay, 10, 170, 173. So this would be 510. So therefore if we talk about this, our remainder, our required number will be 510 plus 1, that is 511. Now last check we need to do is whether 510 is a factor of 7 or multiple of 7 or not. So if we divide 510 or 511, because the LCM plus 1, so by 7 if I do, yeah, 49, 51, yes, it is a multiple of 7, so therefore 511 by 7 gives 0 remainder. So yes, all our conditions are satisfied in this regards as well. So therefore our answer would be a simple LCM plus 1 or 511. Okay, so this will be our answer. So it's a very good question. In fact, that a lot of concepts were involved. In case you have any doubt with regards to the approach we have taken to solving the same, kindly go through the question. So in case you have any doubt, this should be more than enough to clarify the same. Okay, so that should do it. So now, having said that, if you are looking for a detailed solution of the entire paper, feel free to connect with us. For that, you can go through the description where you will find a bunch of details to get in touch with us, and we will be helping you in all your pursuits regarding your competitive exam preparation. Also, if you need any help with regards to your preparation or in subject or topic myself, if you need, we will be more than happy to help you out in those cases as well. Okay. Now, having said that, if you like the video, make sure you like, share and subscribe to the channel so that we'll keep coming up with relevant content such as this further down the line. So with all that said and done, we'll be signing out and we'll continue discussing a similar topic in the subsequent video. So thank you so much.